How are you doing, guys? Continuing with my series of videos on super simple ways that anyone can start including healthy foods in their diet today with absolutely no cooking knowledge or time investment required. I'm now going to move on to another food group we hear about all the time but remains seriously neglected: vegetables. As a general rule, there are benefits to cooking veggies as well as drawbacks, and likewise there are both benefits and drawbacks to eating them raw, so ideally we'd consume a mixture of both raw and cooked. However, I think people usually find it easier to include cooked vegetables, so I'm going to offer a great way of really ramping up your raw veggie intake today. Hummus is a delicious and widely available dip made from cooked, mashed chickpeas blended with tahini, olive oil, lemon juice, garlic and spices with many varieties, and it makes a great dip for raw veggies. Try it with carrots, peppers, cherry tomatoes, celery, or anything else that comes to mind, and as usual, vary it up for best results. What's more, the hummus provides the fat that is required for optimal absorption of certain nutrients found in these vegetables. And not only that, but hummus itself is a health food, providing a serving of legumes in the form of chickpeas, which are also one of the healthiest foods. Legumes, unfortunately, are another severely neglected food group. I don't think many people would eat much raw celery on its own on a regular basis, but dipping these veggies in hummus makes a delicious snack that you will want to keep coming back to. I know many people are already on the hummus train, and once you try it you won't go back, but there are loads of people out there today that still haven't even tasted it. Are you a hummus addict already? Which veggies do you eat it with? Or are you one of the unfortunate people out there that hasn't even tried it yet? Let me know in the comment section below. Also, I have one more video coming up in this series on super simple ways to get more healthy foods into your diet like this, so make sure you subscribe if you haven't already so you don't miss it. That's it, guys. Talk to you next time. Slán.